Okay, today I'd like to continue our series of Vulnhub. The box would be here, the monitoring. And as description section said, the difficulty is very easy, but I have a very different idea from this. I think it involves some luck. If you do not have very good luck, maybe this box is not so easy as that. So without further ado, let's get started. And to save the time, I have already imported into the VirtualBox. And also I have already identified the IP address of the box as 253. And as you can see from the screen, the Nmap scanning result told us the several open ports like 21 for SSH, 25 is for SMTP, and 80 is HTTP, and also the 443 is SSL. So I think we need to do some work on the port 80 and also the 443. So let's open up our browser. So as you can see, from the browser, we can know the target or site is running Nedgers. And also we can click, and immediately the login window or form is prompted to us. So we need to do some research on this. Here I use the Bing search engine to find out the administrator account for the Nedgers is Nedgers admin, and the password is password. Of course, here is not O is 0. So let's try it. You know, the penetration job always involves some guess. And let's open up another private window. Let's copy the URL into the private window. Login Nedgers admin, and the password is password, but it failed. So I think we can try some other common password or very weak passwords, like password not 0, but but also invalid username or password. So maybe we can try admin. Yeah, we have successfully, sorry, my bad. I have already successfully logged in as administrator account. So as you can see, the version is 5.6.0. So I think we can make some vulnerability research, use the search sprite and the ledgers. So you can see there are so many vulnerabilities corresponding to this version or this CMS, which is Nedgers. And also you can see there are several vulnerability or exploit code is linked to the Metasploit tool. So maybe we can launch the Metasploit, and to save the time I already launched it or started this Metasploit already, and we can search Ledgers. As you can see, there are 14 exploits which can be used for us. Of course, this one is not exploit, it's just auxiliary module. So just several minutes ago, I tried several modules, but they failed. But finally, I tried this one, and it does work. Yeah, this one, the number 10, and we can copy. And let's use this module. And the payload has been configured as default, and we can show options to see which option we can configure for this module. Of course, the first parameter we can or we need to specify is localhost to our Kali Linux. And also, I always use our favorite port for listening to 555. And also, of course, we need to set a remote or target IP address as 253. And we can scroll up a bit to see if there is anything else we need to specify, or configure. Okay, the password, because the username is already there, Ledgers admin, but we need to configure password as admin. So I think everything here is done properly, and the target URI, yeah, is correct. And okay, so let's go. Let's hit run. Yeah, successfully uploaded the plugin. Yeah, I think no error. I think we have already got the metapletter, and let's go to the shell environment. Check ID. Yeah, we have already logged in as root, and let's go to the root directory, and we got the proof. Okay, that's it. Although this video doesn't need a bit long time to record, but actually I did this with the time than expected, because the instruction here says the Vulnhub for Vulnhub, and the monitoring said the description here section, you can see the difficulty is very easy. So at the beginning I thought this box would be very straightforward and very easy, but actually I started this box and to do some immersion, and also like I use the burp suite, and also like I try to use the circle map, try to find out whether the target is vulnerable to SQL vulnerability, but it fails. So I think this box is not very easy as mentioned here, and but anyway, we have already done it, and we have already completed this box. So thank you for listening and patience. If you do like it, if you enjoy or you get the value from the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.